Have you heard of CF Block X? Let me tell you about it. This is one of the amazing construction techniques that is revolutionizing technological trends. It's expected that within a few years, the swimming pool industry will grow continuously by 3% per year, which means that swimming professionals will have many jobs, among which the construction of swimming pools has become faster and easier. For example, these polystyrene blocks can be quickly and easily mounted on a wall with a thickness of 25 centimeters on the ground, of which 15 centimeters is reinforced concrete. The blocks are easy to cut, transport, and place to create a pool of 6 by 3 meters. You'll need 68 extra blocks. Polystyrene is good because it retains heat, does not absorb water, and does not expand. We're just getting started, so if you thought this invention sounded good, wait until you see the rest of the list. When it comes to construction technology, foreign teams have introduced new products to replace traditional mortar in the laying of bricks or blocks for masonry walls in Brazil. This is not only true for soccer, but also for amazing construction projects, such as the rapid construction of the city of Brasilia. This new product is called Making Waves. It's really good because only 1 kilogram is equivalent to 20 kilograms of ordinary mortar, and its performance is almost 3 times higher. This makes it possible to build walls with less concrete work. The mats of the French company Jedi follow the motto, "Create for professionals, accessible to all," and offer some video tutorials on screen. In less than 2 minutes, you'll be able to see the whole process of building a floor from start to finish, with our experts covering each step. Start by digging 30 centimeters and laying the geotextile. The company also offers the option to purchase the necessary equipment and supplies on their website. Described as a 5-star product made in France, Star 5 consists of 5 components, from the first coat of primer to the last coat of elastic bitumen. It's suitable for roofs with wood trusses and slopes up to 20 degrees, with no size restrictions. It's also compatible with green roofs and is suitable for the renovation of old buildings and the construction of new buildings. These greenhouses are described by their creators as flexible agricultural spaces that require the inclusion of expanded polystyrene in their design. This 20-centimeter layer allows vegetables, fruits, flowers, mushrooms, and many other things to be grown all year round. From Japan, these structures are built to withstand typhoons, earthquakes, and heavy snowfall. Local entrepreneurs have adopted this innovation and designed them for many spas and hotels, refrigerated warehouses, and even sturgeon farms. The material is also treated with a fire-resistant coating. Your green space weighs only 970 kilograms. If you like the video, stay to the end. Pipelife offers a new generation of polypropylene pipes. This Austrian company is one of the 3 largest in Europe and has production facilities in Europe and the United States. These chambers are made of PPB, a type of polypropylene known for its high strength, weldability, and toughness. These manholes can withstand aggressive chemicals and groundwater and serve a variety of purposes, including domestic water and sewer, with a maximum root depth of 6 meters. The Pro 800 and Pro 1000 models come standard with a fiberglass ladder. The work platform has a non-slip surface and a 4-degree slope to prevent water and debris buildup, making it very useful with slotted tiles and stainless steel hooks. Now let's talk about extruded polystyrene foam panels. They can withstand temperatures as low as negative 70 degrees Celsius without cracking, making them ideal for insulation. In some cases, a 3-inch layer of fabric can provide the same level of insulation. As with 2-inch brick, this means significant savings on heating bills because you don't need a chimney. These panels are lightweight, easy to ship, transport, and install, and are suitable for a variety of applications, including foundations, floors, roof decks, and bracing systems. They're also suitable for 7-story 58.5 and 118 5-centimeter decks. They're priced at $28. Imagine how many problems this amazing invention can solve. Greenlink Engineering was founded in 2016 and has quickly built a solid reputation and loyal customer base. Duncan Aviation, the largest private aircraft operator in the world, is a featured customer. They and Greenlink Engineering prepared the supports for 121 meters of gas piping on the roof of one of their buildings under Greenlink Engineering's supervision. Thanks to their bracing system, these systems can support light and heavy piping up to 8 centimeters in outer diameter, as well as ventilation systems and skylights, with an additional 45 centimeters available for areas with high snow accumulation. The construction of multi-layer roofs may seem simple, but they're the only ones approved in Spain, as these roofs can withstand heavy rainfall of up to 360 liters per meter. cold temperatures of -20 degrees Celsius, and winds of up to 180 kilometers per hour. In addition, no concrete is required, which ensures good insulation values and easy maintenance. With experts predicting that precipitation will increase by about 7% for every degree of global warming, waterproofing system suppliers will continue to find customers and promise simple and effective solutions. Ready for the next construction technology? Let's talk a little bit more about terraces. This system is like playing with Lego blocks, allowing you to get creative and create unique combinations of planks, pieces, and other materials. According to the French manufacturer, it can also be used with 120 by 120 centimeter blocks and is ideal for earth and untreated concrete foundations. The key is the double-sided blocks. One side is slab and the other is wood or composite. In addition, you can adjust the height by up to 95 millimeters on uneven surfaces thanks to a special bracket. Today, the cement industry employs approximately 1.2 million workers and consumes approximately 6.5 billion tons of cement per year. However, this picture is changing thanks to new innovative techniques that make it possible to quickly and easily build walkways, stairs, water channels, and other concrete structures. One of the great advantages of these techniques is their flexibility, since it's possible to bend and adapt objects up to 3.6 meters in length as if they were only 1 meter long. The versatility of this technology allows us to use the same components for both curbs and gutters without worrying about their durability, as each shape can be reused approximately 150 times. It's really impressive what human creativity can do in the field of construction, don't you think? Strange cutter that has great power, it can cut up to 200 piles in just 8 hours, 10 times faster than doing it manually. The cuts are clean, which ensures that there are no cracks under the cut, keeps the reinforcement intact, and starts with a pile spacing of 493 millimeters. It requires little hydraulic power, making it compatible with excavators, yet it has a cutting force of more than 114 tons. This pile driver is manufactured in Russia and is available for about $5,000. Do you know someone who would need this technology? Statistics show that demand for sand and gravel continues to increase at a rate of about 5.5% per year, so it's important to maintain the road, where parking lots, embankments, and landscaping plans are based on this long design and grids. Offer a solution by stabilizing the sand and allowing water to drain, creating a safe, slip-resistant surface that is wheelchair accessible. The standard slab size is 50 by 50 centimeters, with a height of 2.5 centimeters, and comes with 4 10-millimeter holes for mounting. Don't you think this is great? It would definitely make the whole construction process easier. This is another new product from Pipelife called Piping and Related Products. They've introduced a new Slab 16 design and chasing system designed to regulate the construction temperature of concrete slabs. It consists of 5 layers of 16 pipes and 2 millimeters. It's compatible like Lego bricks when combined with other parts, offering cost and labor-saving advantages. The ladder itself is not difficult to assemble and is strong enough to be installed as intended. Urban noise is an issue raised by the World Health Organization and the United Nations. In Europe, between 40 and 65% of people live in places where the noise is above 55 decibels. You know what? That's above what's allowed, which is 40 decibels. No kidding, 45 decibels can ruin your sleep, and 55 decibels can even cause seizures and heart problems. So for most people, this isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. For rooms, sound-absorbing ceilings with NRC coefficients of 0.8 to 0.9 are the way to go. But for recording studios and construction projects, concrete and those cool panels are the way to go. They're easy to install when needed, and they can be swapped out for LED cable from the same roll. Plus, they use cool technology to filter food, cigarette, and other odors out of the air, so it's all under control.